श्रीगुरो श्रीयुतपदकमलं श्रीगुरून् वैष्णवांश्च श्रीरूपं साग्रजातं सगुणरघुनाथनीतं तं सहजीवं साद्वैतं सावधूतं परिजनसहितं कृष्णचैतन्यदेवं श्रीराधाकृष्णपादान् सगुणललिता श्रीविशाखान्विताश्च हे कृष्ण करुणा सिन्धु दीनबन्धो जगत्पति गोपेश गोपिकान्त राधाकान्त नमस्तुते तप्त काञ्चन गौराङ्गी राधे वृन्दावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्यैवश्च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो 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 महावदान्याय कृष्ण प्रेम प्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्ण चैतन्य नाम्नि गौरतुयसे नमो श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौरभक्त वृंद श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौरभक्त वृंद श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे आनंद लीलामय विग्रहाय हेमावदिव्यो छवि सुंदराय तस्मै महाप्रेम रसप्रदाय श्री चैतन्य चंद्राय नमो नमस्ते चैतन्य चंद्राय नमो नमस्ते चैतन्य चंद्राय नमो नमस्ते श्री चैतन्य चंद्राय नमः. I am very happy to come here to meet you all, to have your association, so many devotees of Gauranga Mahaprabhu, Gaura Bhakta. I hope I'll be much benefited by your association. I request you, please come up closer. Why are you sitting so far, leaning against the wall. Better to come up closer. Mm. Mm. Sriman Mahaprabhu, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, is Krishna himself. He is not different from Krishna. Krishna came 5,000 years ago in his own Swarup, Sruhudam Sarvabhutanam. He has said that thing in Srimad Bhagavad Gita, last verse of 5th chapter. Sruhudam Sarvabhutanam. I am the only well-wishing friend of all living entities. Therefore, he comes here, he descends here in different incarnations also. He descends or different incarnations come because they are only well-wishing friends of all the living entities here. This is material world. This is not spiritual world. It's not the abode of Krishna. When Krishna is engaged always in his transcendental leelas there, Nitya Leela, eternal pastimes, in his abode Golak Vrindavan there, always Krishna always engaged in the rasa dance with the damsels of Brajabhumi there. But it also comes here. It's material world. And manifests those leelas also. Why he does so? Can you say, what's your name, Prabhu? Murali Krishna. Very good name. All right. So you know it, I think so, because you are Murali Krishna Das. Yes. So you can answer my question. Why he comes here? Krishna and manifest that leelas, transcendental leelas, that's Ras leelas also. In this material world is not at all the platform, and these conditioned souls completely forgotten Krishna with 4 defects. Can they understand it? Can they understand it? If somebody is deaf, cannot hear, if we speak, what benefit is there? He is deaf. Isn't it? Murali Krishna. He is deaf, cannot hear. If we speak, what benefit? Follow my language? So Krishna comes here, manifests his transcendental leela, especially Rasa Leela also here. Dances, the damsels of Brajabhumi also here. Can these conditioned souls with the 4 defects understand it? So, bolo? They cannot understand because a deaf person, a blind and deaf and dumb, what can he understand? Still he does so. Why he does so? He says, I am Srudam Sarvabhutana. I am the only well-wishing friend of all living entities. So what well-wish is there? That he manifests such leelas. Can't you say Murali Krishna? You are deaf. Doesn't your master help you? You are the servant of Murali Krishna. Your master is Murali Krishna. So doesn't he help you? Why don't you cry before him, Murali Krishna? Oh, my master, please help me. How can I understand you? You are such mysterious leelas, transcendental leelas. I am such conditioned soul. I am deaf, dumb, blind. No knowledge at all. No intelligence at all. No merit at all. No bhakti at all. I am nothing. How can I understand you? Are you crying, Murali Krishna? Huh? Bolo! Not saying, I am helpless. Huh? I need your help. But you are not helping me, Murali Krishna. I have come here for your help. Huh? For by your association, I must benefit it. But you are so, I have no language to say. But you are not helping me to follow Murali Krishna. Vikridi tabrajavadhu viridin cha Vishnu. Huh? 10th canto, Srimad Bhagavatam. Vikridi tabrajavadhu viridin cha Vishnu. Brajavadhu, the dancers of Brajabhumi. Ah. Krishna dances with the dancers of Brajabhumi. Ah. The last dance manifests because Sunayad Varnayad Api. Apinatyasu Rudroga Kama. This will be recorded. This transcendental Leelas of Krishna. There will be books there. Srimad Bhagavatam. Huh? What teachings he gave, message he gave, recorded in Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Isn't it? First times. And those books will be read. And his dear devotees, Vaishnavas, sadhus, they come here also. They speak about it. Give narrations. Isn't it? So this will be hard. Sunayadapi, Varnayadapi. This is the only subject matter to be heard and to be recited and narrated. Isn't it? Sunatan Sokatha Krishna Punya Sravana Kirtana Hridyasto hi abhadrani vidunoti srutsatang. Isn't it, Murali Krishna? What to be heard over? We have gotten this year. So many things we are hearing. Topics related to politics, related to sense gratification, material enjoyment. So much Gramya Katha. So many sounds, material sounds are there, vibrated in this atmosphere. This year. Do you follow me? What effect is there? If we hear all these topics related to politics, topics related to material sense enjoyment, sense gratification, so what will be effect? What effect is there? Bolo? Why don't you say? If we hear such material topics, then more and more material filth will be accumulated in the heart. Isn't it? Isn't it? It has already been accumulated, like Himalayan mountain. So many times, lives, lakhs of lives. Isn't it? In our heart. Fill the heart. Such filth, material contamination is there in our heart. Like Himalayan mountain, how will it be cleansed up? A sandman, you follow? Not insane, sane, conscientious, intelligent, wise, is conscious. He should understand. Oh, my heart is filled with so much filth. From so many lakhs of lives. How can it be cleansed up? Which is seat for Krishna? To the Singhasana. Heart is the seat for the Krishna. How can Krishna will sit there when such filth is there accumulated like Himalayan mountain? Will Krishna sit there? What's your name, Prabhu? Bhakta? Narma. Anyhow, Bhakta, a light devotee. Do you understand? Do you follow Murali Krishna? A sane man, a conscious, conscientious person, a serious, wise man, intelligent person should be very eager. How can I cleanse it up? What is the process? Huh? Shrunatang so katha Krishna, punya sravana kirtana, hudastho hi abhadrani, vidhunoti srudsata. To hear Krishna katha, to follow nectarian, so sweet. Krishna katha is sweet, nectarian, isn't it, Murali Krishna? Are you tasting it, relishing? No. Oh. Alas, alas. You can't relish it. You can't taste the nectar. Then how can you become the Das of Murali Krishna? Become real Das, pure Das. Don't be a pretender. Follow my language. Please excuse me if my words are pinching to you. I am not your enemy. I am a royal wisher, Murali Krishna. Do you follow me? Yes. Pure Das, not a pretender. Do you follow? Shrunatang Sokatha Krishna Punya Sravana Kirtana. Hridasto hi abhadrani vidhunoti susada. If we hear such Krishna Katha, nectarian Katha, is a transcendental pastimes from the lips of a pure devotee. Because this is only topic to be heard. Shrunuyat varnuyat apihi. Only topic should be heard and should be narrated and spoken. Then the filth, contamination accumulated there in our heart will be cleansed off. Heart will be purified. Do you understand? Then, apiyunotyasu, hrudroga kama, you have heart disease. Isn't it, Murali Krishna? Have you heart disease? Heart disease? Yes, everybody has heart disease, isn't it? What is that disease? Yes, Bhakta knows very well. Yeah, that is apyunatyasa hridroga kama. That is lost. Yes, all are affected. All are affected. But that lost. That is our disease. And this is medicine. This Krishna Katha is the medicine to cure this heart disease. Apyunatyasa hridroga kama. Therefore Krishna comes here. He manifests his transcendental leelas here. Do you understand? Even Ras Leela. Do you understand? Because this is medicine to cure heart disease. But this should be heard from the lips of pure devotees. One is very serious. He is not callous. He is conscious. Yes, I am a diseased person. I am a diseased person. He is not callous. He is conscious. So, he should come and hear it. This is medicine for it. So my heart disease will be cured. That is why. Because it's through them. Sarvabhutanam, only well-wishing friend of all living entities. So he comes. Also, he has no business here. Do you follow? So I was saying, 5,000 years ago, Krishna came. Manifested of Leela Purushottama. Krishna is known as Leela Purushottama. So he manifested manifold Leelas. Do you understand? At last he manifested Kurukshetra Leela, battlefield of Kurukshetra, dropped the chariot of Arjuna, Partha Sarathi, he became Partha Sarathi, his dear devotee Arjuna, and gave his message in the form of Bhagavad Gita through Arjuna to whole mankind. Do you follow? To whole mankind. He gave his confidential instruction, more confidential instruction, and most confidential instruction. What is most confidential instruction? Bolo, Murali Krishna. Bhakta, you know what is most confidential instruction? Yes, yes. Huh? Recite the verse, recite. Yes, what is Guhyatam? What is most confidential? Iti means I, thus I say these things. Most confidential instruction. Huh? Bhuya, again I am saying. Repeatedly he said. Do you understand? You hear, Arjuna. Do you understand? What is that? Manmana bhavo, mad bhakta, mad jaji, mang namaskar, mang vesyasi, tatyante pratijane priyasime, sarvadharman paritejya, mamekam saranam braja, antam sarvapapebhya, mukhishyami masusa. Isn't it? Huh? Bhakta, be paka bhakta, pure bhakta. Huh? Yes, don't be pretender. Ah, don't be a pretender. Pure bhakta, real bhakta, paka, not kacha. Do bhava, bhakta, yes, nice. Then you get mercy of Mahaprabhu, mercy of Krishna. Huh? Think of me, manmana bhava. Huh? Think of me. Put me in your mind. Huh? Isn't it? Drive out all other thoughts from your mind, stupid mind. Huh? Huh? Bhakta is Krishna is there. Stupid mind thinking of Krishna. Huh? Bolo Bhakta. Huh? Thinking of Krishna or thinking of the objects of sense enjoyment? What thinks? Stupid mind. Thinks? Your mind thinks always, 24 hours, day and night. Manmana bhava mad bhakta mad jadi mang namaskar mang vesyasi satyanti pratijane priyasime. Krishna says to Arjuna, you are my dear friend, very dear devotee. So I tell you this most confidence answer. Think of me day and night, 24 hours. Only thought of Krishna will be there. No other thought is there. Do you understand? Become my bhakta, become my devotee, become my servant, serve me. Not jaji, worship me, mang namaskaro, that offer worship me. Huh? Do you understand? And then you will come to me. Giving up all varieties of dharma, just surrender unto me. Sarva dharman paritejya mamekam saranam. That is his saranagati. To surrender unto Krishna. That is last instruction. Concluding instruction, isn't it? That is the only thing needed for jiva, jivatma. To take shelter, to completely take shelter at the lotus feet of Krishna. Completely surrender unto the lotus feet of Krishna. Best. Hmm? He said this thing. Then he wound up his leela, went to his abode. There he thinks, I said everything. I gave confidential instruction, more confidential instruction, most confidential instruction. Huh? Through Arjuna to whole mankind, but how many can understand it? This should be understood in Tattva. Evam joveti tattva tekva deham punarjanma nayati samangiti Arjuna. Huh? It should be understood in Tattva, not two types of vichar. Considerations are there. One is apparent consideration, other is absolute consideration. Apat vichar, tattva vichar. So Krishna stresses upon tattva vichar, absolute consideration, not apat vichar. Do you follow my language? Huh? So how many can understand it? And after Dwapar Yuga, Kali Yuga has come. Most degraded, sinful age. Kali means quarreling, hypocrisy, cheating, sinful activities, adharma, irreligion, no religion. Do you understand? Consciously or unconsciously, all are engaged in sinful activities. Do you understand? Consciousness is polluted. How can they understand it? If someone is fortunate, if he understands and puts it into practice, that means really surrenders, then you will get me, come to me. But people cannot understand it. And again, I have said it theoretically. I have not practically demonstrated how to surrender. Huh? Theoretically saying will not do. Example is better than precept, isn't it? Huh? Example is better than precept. Huh? I have not set example. How to surrender. Huh? How to think of Krishna day and night, 24 hours. Huh? I have not set up that example. I have not practically demonstrated. Then I have to go again. So he came again as Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Do you understand? So he came again as Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. He is not different from Krishna, but his mood is different. His mood is different. What is his mood? That is Mahaprabhu's mood. Huh? His mood of bhakta, mood of devotee. Do you understand? Mood of Radharani. Do you understand? Best of devotees is Radharani. Do you follow? That is his mood. Not mood of Krishna. As Radharani feels the pangs of separation of Krishna and cries. Similarly, Mahaprabhu feels and cries for Krishna. Prabhupada cries for Krishna. Huh? Mahaprabhu cries for Krishna. Huh? Understand Bhakta? Understand Murali, Mohana, what is it? Huh? What is his name? Murali Krishna. All right, I'm forgetting. All right. Murali Krishna, do you understand? Though he is Krishna, but his mood is mood of devotee, bhakta, mood of Radharani. He is crying for Krishna. Do you follow? Huh? Bhaktivinoda Thakur, dear devotee of Krishna, who knows, dear devotee of Mahaprabhu, who knows, he has written nice song. Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu, jive daya kori, soparsada suyo dhamo sahavatari, শিখায় শরণাগতি ভকতির প্রাণ অত্যন্ত দুর্লভ প্রেম করিবারে দান শিখায় শরণাগতি ভকতের প্রাণ বলো শ্রীকৃষ্ণ চৈতন্য প্রভু জীবে দয়া করে স্বপার্শ্বদ সুয় ধাম সহ অবতরী অত্যন্ত দুর্লভ প্রেম করিবারে দান শিখায় শরণাগতি ভকতের প্রাণ শ্রীকৃষ্ণ চৈতন্য প্রভু wonderfully merciful to shower his mercy on the jivas, suffering jivas here. He descended here. He didn't descend alone. He descended with Swadhama Soparsada, with his abbot, with his associates. Do you understand? His abbot Navadip Dham, associates, Nityananda, Advaita, Gadadhara, Srivasadi, Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. Isn't it? With all his associates, with all his abbot, he descended here. Why? অত্যন্ত দুর্লভ প্রেম করিবারে দান শিক্ষায় শরণাগতি ভগবতের প্রাণ টু টিচ শরণাগতি টু টিচ হাউ টু সারেন্ডার unto Krishna. You understand? How to get Krishna, how to develop bhakti for Krishna, pure bhakti, prema bhakti for Krishna. Do you understand? And to give prema, অত্যন্ত দুর্লভ প্রেম করিবারে দান শিখায় শরণাগতি ভগবতের প্রাণ to give that prema, Krishna prema, which is very, very difficult to get. Even on the part of Brahma, is very difficult to get. Brahmara durlabha. Hence I want to speak of others. To give that prema, huh? And teach Saranagati, he descended here. And he practically teaches how to surrender. How to surrender. He practically teaches how to cry for Krishna. Do you understand? How to develop Krishna prema. Unless you develop love for Krishna, your stupid mind will never think of Krishna. Can you think of? Your stupid mind will think of that object or that person or persons whom it likes, isn't it? Huh? Yes, that's a fact. If he doesn't like to develop love for Krishna, how can it think it of? Can he? No. It's a question of love. Therefore, it is said that you should develop love for Krishna. We have this eternal relationship with Krishna. ang sarvasya prabhava matta sarvam pravartate iti mattva bhajante mang buddha bhava samannita. Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita. Isn't it? Murali Krishna Das. His correct name here, Murali Krishna. All right. Sometimes I forget, help me. Ang sarvasya prabhava matta sarvam pravartate iti mattva bhajante mang buddha bhava samannita. Bhagavad Gita. Are you reading Bhagavad Gita? This verse is there. Krishna says, I am the source of all emanations. Everything has emanated from me. Isn't it? That means everything is related to him. This is related to Krishna. He is related to Krishna. You are related to Krishna. I am related to Krishna. Everybody is related to Krishna. Whatever you see here, find here, everything is related to Krishna. Isn't it? Because I am the source of all emanations. Everything is emanated from me. Ang sarvasya prabhava matta sarvam pravat iti mattva bhajante mang buddha bhava samannita. Those who are learned, Pandit, those who know this thing, they do my bhajan. Bhajanti. How? Bhava samannita. With that mood. What is that mood? Mood of love. Pritir bhav. Do you follow? It's a mood of love. It's mood of love. Do you understand? The bhajan should be done. The mood of love. If there is no love, how can you do bhajan? You may be chanting Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Stupid mind is hovering hither and thither. Sing this thing. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Oh, I have to do this. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Oh, I have to go there. There's nothing there. So, is Krishna is in your mind? Something else is in your mind. And you are chanting Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Is it bhajan? If bhajan hai na? Krishna is not your mind. You have no love for Krishna. You are not thinking of Krishna. You are chanting Hare Krishna. But mind is hovering here and there. This is not bhajan. Rather, you are committing offense. Aparad. Nama aparad hai. This is nama aparad. So, Mahaprabhu came and gave that prema. Nama Mahavadanyaya Krishna prema pradayate. Krishnayo Krishna Chaitanya namne Gauratu Ise Nama. Srila Rupa Goswami offers this pranam mantra for Mahaprabhu. Nama Mahavadanyaya Krishna prema pradayate. Krishnayo Krishna Chaitanya namne Gauratu Ise Nama. I offer my obeisance to that Gaura. Who gives Krishna prema, who is most munificent incarnation Mahaprabhu avatar. Do you understand? Gives Krishna prema. Without that prema, without that love, no question of bhajan at all. No question of surrender at all. Do you follow? It's based on love. Otherwise, no surrender, no bhajan. That means manvana bhava. The stupid mind will never keep Krishna. Do you understand? Yes, unless you develop love for Krishna. How the stupid mind will think of Krishna? Isn't it? Sutamita ramani rachinta. Your stupid mind is thinking of your wife, your son, your daughter, your material possessions. Isn't it? Is it thinking of Krishna? Bolo? No. No Krishna. Mahaprabhu teaches this thing. Mahaprabhu came for that purpose. And he is always crying. Ko Krishna Nanda Kula Chandrama, Ko Mandra Muralirava, Ko Sikhi Kalan Krudi, Ko Rasara Satandavi. Where is that Krishna? The son of Nanda Maharaj. Where is that Krishna on his on whose crest peacock feather is there? Sikhi Kalan Krudi, Baraha Batansa. Brahma Samhita says, Sikhipu Chamauli. That is Krishna. So if you put this peacock feather on the crest of Mahaprabhu, then how can he cry? Oh, I am Krishna. How can he cry? How can he cry? Oh, when you look at, oh, I am Krishna. So, such pain, such painful. You disturb the mood of Mahaprabhu, putting peacock feather on his head. Now he cannot cry. It's very painful for him. Do you understand my point? Yes. Ko Krishna Nanda Kula Chandrama, ko Sikhi Kalam Trudi, ko Mandra Murali Rava, ko Rasarasa Tandavi. As Radharani says to her girl companion, Sakhi Lalita and Vijaka. Similarly, Mahaprabhu says to Raya Ramananda and Swarup Damodar Goswami, who are Lalita and Vishaka and Krishna Lila. Where is that Krishna, son of Nanda Maharaj? Where is that Krishna on whose crest peacock feather is there? Where is that Krishna that plays sweetly with his flute, Mandra Murali Rava? Where is that Krishna who dances in the rasa? Kahan gale, kahan paung Murali Vadana? Keho mate bhetaibo? Nandera Nandana. Kahaku kahibo maro? Ke bujibo betha? Brajendra Nandana bina phate mor buka. Do you understand? Oh, whom I shall speak? Where shall I go? Where can I find out that son of Nanda Maharaj? Where can I find out that Krishna with flute on his lips? Murali Vadana. Is there anybody who can help me in finding out that Krishna? Before whom shall I express the distress of my heart? Is there anybody who can understand my distress in the heart, the pain I feel in my heart? Brajendra Nandana bina phate mor dukha, phate mor bukha. My heart is splitting up without getting Brajendra Nandan, son of Nanda Maharaj. Mahaprabhu says like this and cries. Do you follow? Why? Because you have to cry like this. Otherwise you cannot get Krishna. Do you follow? That he teaches. If you're really serious, if you really want to get Krishna, you have to cry. Otherwise you cannot get Krishna. That is the price you have to pay to purchase Krishna. Gayanti mama namani, rudanti mama sannidhau, tesang ahang parikrito, nannakrito janardana. In Adi Puran, Krishna says to Arjuna, chanting my holy name, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Chanting my holy name, who dances before me and cries before me, he purchases me. Do you understand? He purchases me. Do you understand, Bhakta? Are you crying? Are you crying? In Sikhastaka Mahaprabhu says, Galadasrudharaya gira. Nayanang Galadasrudharaya. Badanang Gadgadarudhaya gira. Pulokair Nishitair Bapu. Kada Tavanam Grahani Bhavishyati. Sikhastaka. Isn't it? I think when I came, you are reciting this Sikhastaka, I think. Isn't it, Mahaprabhu? Yes, you are reciting it. That is not there? Yes? What? You are reciting it like parrot. Sukha, parrot-like recitation. But you are not crying. He says crying. Nayanam galadasrudharaya, badanam gadgadarudhaya gira, pulakei nichiteir bapu kadatava nama grahane bhavishyati. Oh Krishna, when that day will come or that moment will come, by uttering your name, The tears will roll down from my eyes. My voice will be choked up. The ecstasy. My whole body will be ecstatic. The hairs on the body will be erected. When? Huh? Kada tava nama grahane bhavishyati. He's teaching this thing and he himself crying. He himself crying and teaching. And you have to cry it. Otherwise, you cannot get Krishna. Do you follow? Mahaprabhu is teaching practically. This is the tears of love, premasru. Do you understand? Tears of love, premasru. One who is completely surrendered soul, do you follow? One who is completely surrendered soul. He has 6 symptoms. Huh? Do you understand? Anukulyena sankalpa, pratikulyena parjana, rakhistiti vishwaso, goptruti varanam tatha, atmani khepa karpanye, sarvidha saranagati. Do you follow? 10 symptoms. Which completely surrender. Sarvadharman parityajya mamekam saranam braja. What Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita. Giving up all varieties of dharma. Those are completely surrendered. Example is the gopis headed by Radharani. You understand? Yes, they gave up, they kicked all dharmas. Veda dharma, jati dharma, kula dharma, marjada dharma. All dharmas they kicked up. They run at the dead of night. Do you understand? Living there, home and hearth, their husband, their family members, their sons, daughters, to the jungle of Vrindavan, hearing the flute of Krishna, isn't it? Housewives. This is love for Krishna. Then you can kick up all dharmas, sarva dharma. Otherwise, you cannot kick up. Do you understand? Cannot kick up. This is question of love. Love for Krishna. Otherwise, no question of surrender at all. Without love, your so-called surrender is either partial or artificial or conditional. It is not true surrender, not complete surrender. Do you understand? Yes. That Mahaprabhu teaches. Do you understand? Practically teaches. Because I first said, Krishna thought of, I have said theoretically, I have not practically demonstrated. So he came as Mahaprabhu to demonstrate practically by observing in his own life. Do you follow? Yes, that's tears. So the 6 symptoms are there. Anukulyasa sankalpa, pratikulyasa varjanam, rakhestiti vishwaso, goptruti varanam tatha, atmani khepa karpanye, sarvidha saranagati. What is favorable for my bhajan, I accept it. What is unfavorable, I immediately reject it, however dear it may be. Do you understand? Pratikulyasa varjanam, rakhestiti vishwaso, the unflinching faith. Avasya rakhibe Krishna. Krishna bina rakhya kartar ke hona. Nobody is there who will protect me. Krishna is the only protector. And I have this strong faith, unflinching faith. Krishna will protect me. This unflinching faith. Rakhestiti vishwas. Goptrute varanam tatha is my only caretaker, guardian. He must take care of me. Krishna is rakhyakar, palako amar. Krishna is my maintainer. Krishna is my protector. Who is maintaining you, Bhakta? Who is maintaining you? And maintaining you? Huh? Who is maintaining you? Krishna, yes. Always, every moment, day and night, 24 hours. Do you follow? Day and night, 24 hours. Crying, crying, crying in the heart. Crying in the heart. Piteously crying in the heart for Krishna, uttering his name. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. This is the crying of the soul, Atma Krandan. Do you understand, Bhakta? Murali Krishna, do you understand? This is the crying of the soul. Soul is crying. Ainanda Tanuja, Kinkarang Patitam Ma Visame Bhavambalo, Kripaya Tava Pada Pankajastita, Duli Sadruso Vijintaya. Sikyastaka. Huh? Huh? Mahaprabhu is teaching, isn't it? Are you taking this lesson, the teaching of Mahaprabhu? Bhakta Murali Krishna. Huh? Only parrot-like reading. Ma. Parrot. Huh? Ainanda Tanja, Kinkarang Patitam Ma, Visame Bhavambadav, Kripaya Tava Pada Pankajastita, Duli Sadrusa Vichintaya. Ainanda Tanuja, O son of Nanda Maharaj, I am your kinkar, I am your servant, I am your eternal servant. Somehow Patitam Visame Bhavambadav. I am fallen here in this dreadful ocean of materialistic existence and have been drowning here from time immemorial. Huh? Please, Kripaya Tava Pada Pankajastita Dhuri Sadrusa Vijintaya. Please accept me as a speck of dust at your lotus feet. Tava nitya dasa kare tomaro sevana. Let your servant serve your lotus feet of Krishna. This is crying in the heart. Oh Hari, oh Krishna, oh Ram. Let your eternal servant serve your lotus feet. This is crying. Do you understand? This is crying. Mahaprabhu teaching this thing. Is crying and teaching. Those who have cried, they have gotten Krishna. Billo Mangala cried, Dhruva cried, they got Krishna. Isn't it? Those who have gotten Krishna, they have cried. Do you understand, Bhakta? Won't cry. Tears coming out. Huh? Murali Krishna, tears coming out from the eye. Huh? No tear. Dry. Huh? It's dry. No tears. Huh? Huh? Mirchi la. Mirchi. Huh? Put it. Then tears will come out. Mirchi la. No love, no tear. Huh? Do you understand? This is karpanya. Karpanya means always crying for Krishna, in the heart crying. That is karpanya. Saranga saranagati hoibe jaharo. Taharo prarthana sune Sri Nanda Kumar. Bhaktivinoda Thakur says, Saranga saranagati hoibe jaharo, taharo prarthana sune Nanda Kumar. Yes. You see, one is completely surrendered. These 6 symptoms are there. Do you understand? Saranga Sonagati. Saranga means 6. Symptoms Sonagati. Only Nanda Kumar, son of Nanda Maharaj, hears his prayer. Otherwise, he won't hear. Saranga Sonagati Hoibejar. Tahar Prarthana Sune Nanda Kumar. Mahaprabhu teaches. Do you follow? But have we any qualification? Have we bhakti? Huh? Have we jnana? Have we karma? Anything we have? We are so fallen, so degraded. Isn't it? No knowledge, no karma, no jnana, no bhakti. Isn't it? Patita Dhamma, most fallen, most degraded I am. most sinful I am. Isn't it? Huh? How can I get your lotus feet, O Krishna? Huh? How can I get? This you have to cry for it. Do you understand? Krishna is merciful. Mahaprabhu is wonderfully merciful. Adbhuta Karunya. Krishna Karuna Sindhu is the ocean of mercy, isn't it? Mahaprabhu is wonderfully merciful. Do you understand? But that mercy is causeless mercy. Is there any cause? Causeless mercy, isn't it? Huh? Do you follow my language? It's causeless mercy. No cause is there. Can you demand, oh Krishna, Mahaprabhu, give me mercy, otherwise I'll starve you. Can you say like this? Huh? Huh? Can you say like this? Huh? Give me your Karuna Sindhu, your ocean of mercy. Why are you not giving one drop of mercy to me? I'll starve you. Can you do like that? No, Baba. It's causeless mercy. Causeless. No cause is there. You cannot demand it. Only you cry for it. Do you understand? Only you have to cry for it. No other means or way is there to get mercy. Huh? Follow my language. Mahaprabhu is teaching that. He is crying and teaching. And those are dear devotees of Mahaprabhu, Gaura Priyajana, dear devotees of Mahaprabhu, Gaura Priyajana, they cry. They are always crying. Do you understand? They are always crying. Madhavendra Puri, Ishwara Puri, Raghunath Das Goswami, huh? Rupa Goswami. Do you understand? Bhakti Vinod Thakur, Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Prabhupada, my revered spiritual master, Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Swami Prabhupada, all the devotees of Mahaprabhu, Krishna, always crying, always crying. Do you understand? Always crying. That I'll sing a song, nice song, Bhakti Vinod Thakur has written. This is Karpanya. This Karpanya means piteous cry for the mercy of Krishna. Piteous cry. Otherwise, you cannot get it. It's causeless mercy. Ami to durjanati sada duracharo. Ami, can you sing? Not helping me. I am helpless. You can't help me, Murali Krishna. Ami tadurjanati sada duracharo. Koti koti janme moro nahi ko dharo. Ehe no doyalu keba e jagote ache. Emono pamore udharialo bekache. He says, I am most rascal. I am most stupid. I am always engaged in all sinful activities. In crores of lives, there is no question of deliverance of mine. Huh? I am such a person. Do you understand? Ehana doyalu keba e jagote ache. Emoto pamori uddharialo bekache. Is there any merciful person in this universe, in this world, that will deliver such most fallen, most degraded, most sinful person like me? Huh? Do you follow? Is there any person? Suniyachi Sri Chaitanya Patito Pavana Ananta Pataki Jani Korila Mochona. But I have heard Sri Chaitanya is a Patita Pavana, deliverer of the most patitas. Unlimited patitas. He had delivered unlimited patitas. I have heard this thing. এমত দয়ার সিন্ধু কৃপা বিতরিয়া কবে উদ্ধারিবে মোরে শ্রীচরণ দিয়া। Such wonderfully merciful is Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. When his dayar sindhu is ocean of mercy, when will just drop a drop of mercy from that ocean on such most sinful, degraded, adham pataki, as I am, and pull me, take me to his lotus feet. Do you understand? When? এইবারও বুঝা জীব করুণা তো মারো যদি পামর জনে করিবে উদ্ধার। Oh, wonderfully merciful Chaitanya Gauranga, this time, this is test for you. If you can deliver me, the most degraded, most sinful person, then it will be proved that you are really Patita Pavan. Do you follow my language? You are really Patita Pavan if you can deliver me. This time it will be proved. I have heard this, now this is test for you. If you can deliver such most degraded, most sinful person as I am. No such degraded and sinful person you will ever find. If you can deliver me, then it is to be proved that yes, really you are Patita Pavana, deliverer of the Patita. Karma nahi, jnana nahi, Krishna bhakti nahi, tabe bolo kirupe o Sri Charana pai. I have no qualification. I have no karma, I have no jnana, I have no Krishna bhakti. Then tell me, how can I approach your lotus feet? Bolo, I have nothing. I am such a rascal. Such a rascal I am. No karma, no jnana, no bhakti, no Krishna bhakti. How can I approach your lotus feet? Do you follow me? ভরসা তোমারো মাত্র, ভরসা মারো মাত্র, করুণা তোমারো অহেতু কি সে করুণা দেবের বিচার। I have no karma, no jnana, no Krishna bhakti, nothing. Only I am completely dependent on your mercy. Completely dependent on your mercy, nothing else. Bharasa amar matro, karuna tomar, only your mercy. But that mercy is causeless. No cause. I first say, it's causeless mercy. I'm completely dependent on your causeless mercy because I have nothing. I have no karma, no jnana, no Krishna bhakti. How can I approach? How can I approach your lotus feet? Tumi tapavitra pado, ami durasayo, kemoni tumar padi, aibo asroyo. Oh Krishna, oh Mahaprabhu, you are most holy, but I am most degraded. I am most sinful. I am most contaminated. You are most holy. How can I approach your lotus feet? No hope at all. Isn't it? So, কান্দিয়া কান্দিয়া বলে এ পতিত ছাড়ো, পতিত পাবন নাম Prosidho tomar. So I only cry and cry and cry. Kandiyan, kandiyan. Only I will cry and cry and cry and cry for your causeless mercy, the most degraded, most sinful, most stupid, most rascal as I am. And you are Patita Pavana, you are the deliverer of the Patitas, and you are celebrated, you are famous. This name, I only cry and cry and cry for your mercy, nothing else. I cannot do anything else. This is Karpanyam, Karpanyam. Every moment cry. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Ram. No other way is there for us. This is not his teaching. Thank you very much. Hare Govinda He, Gauranga He. You'll show you how to open that. It's the key video. Yes. Go also. Stupid mind won't think of Krishna. Won't be attached to Krishna. Momentary sometimes. One moment or something. Again. Either free. Yes. So very fickle. Chanchala Himana Krishna. Very fickle mind. Most fickle. Most fickle. Most fickle. Sitting here. You are sitting here, your mind is just wandering throughout the world, Baba. Wandering throughout the world, your mind, you are sitting here. Isn't it, Ram Prasad? Huh? In Los Angeles, then in New York, then Tokyo, in Hong Kong, or something, India, or Delhi. Huh? So many places, we have already wandered. You are sitting here. So big mind. Huh?
My guru is only passionate Krishna.
Yes. Yes. If Guru won't catch hold of your ear and slap you, otherwise this stupid mind will not be controlled. Will not be controlled. Guru slapping is required. Guru karno dharan. Karno dharan. Catch hold of the ear and slap. Oh, rascal Ram Prasad, what are you doing? Where is your mind? The mind is in Krishna. Huh? Durvala. Yeah. Oh, Bharatma Prabhu. Oh, he is writing letter. Are you getting my letter? Reply? Huh? Yes. You stay here? Los Angeles? That's
Thanks for writing. Pradhan is sponsoring the Sunday too.
That's
All the devotees are on this.
That's this coming Sunday. That's nice.
We were very happy when we were willing. I was in a diet drinking rice. Just made him stay there, here. I was telling him before that I was really hoping that maybe next time I'm leaving, we could spend maybe 1 week. They want you a week every place. Then you have to live in America. Expand. Then you'll
Vancouver, they were.
Vancouver a week, Newton in a week.
Yeah.
Dan's a week. We get spoiled with the jury thing. We give it to next and we do one more and then you're gone. I'm like an investor. Investor. We're thirsty.
Yeah, thirsty. One should be thirsty for it. Otherwise, how can you get it? You can cry for it. Yes, where is water? Where is water? Where is nectar? Just cry for it. Unless you're thirsty, how can you cry for it? Thirsty, required. Thirst should be there. No thirst, how can you get it? No hunger, how can you release the dishes? It's so nice dishes are there, but you are not hungry. No hunger. Huh? So you cannot release it. You can release it. Hunger should be there. Then it is a releasement.
Very difficult for the devotee living here because there's a few very sincere devotees. There are many devotees living outside that are in behind, and that engages.
So, cottage and everything.
Yeah.
All right. So you see, prasad will take prasad and take it there. Hungry. So take care of Atmaram. Get medicine required.
There's a foot doctor they come right across the street.
Doctor.
Take care of his thumb.
Acha.
We'll do that tomorrow morning.
Yes, tomorrow. Mm.
People,
Hmm?
so much pain, scratching and pain with lower.
Yes.
Whole body's in pain.
Yeah.
But it's very much tolerant.
Yeah.
Same.
Yes, I say he is not saying he's tolerant. From so many days you are getting it, but you are not saying it. He is just tolerating. I say, no, nothing is there. Don't call doctor. I said, yes, no, it's no, it's getting worse. Then I told you. Take care of him, he will soon get cured. Otherwise, he will be held up. Mm.
The main medicine has to rest.
Yes.
Rest in we should do it.
Mm. You should take care of him. Mm. Give him prasad what he wants. And no rest is there, no activity for him. And get that medicine, what Bhagavat said. Last time we met you, where? St. Louis, yes. St. Louis. Mm. Yes, I could remember. Yeah. St. Louis. So when did you come here?
3 months ago.
Oh, 3 months ago, yeah. You'll stay here now.
Yeah.
Oh, nice place. It's a nice place. So at the pools, everything is there. Required.
Yes.
Mm.